What do mitochondria have to do with intestinal health, intestinal inflammation? Well, this paper shows quite clearly, as it refers to mitochondria as the gatekeeper or a key player in cell fate decisions and in coordinating cellular metabolism, immunity, stress response, and apoptosis. Apoptosis simply means cell death or programmed cell death. And we don't want too much of that to be happening, considering we want to be renewing our gut lining every 3 to 5 days. And the paper goes on. It talks about mitochondria's role in metabolism, contributing to the regulation of the intestinal epithelial cells, so the gut lining cells. And I quote, "Mitochondrial function is a cellular checkpoint critically contributing to disease outcome. This is relevant to anyone with inflammatory bowel disease. The gut lining or intestinal epithelium is constantly renewing, so you should have a new gut lining every 3 to 5 days. Here we see that intestinal epithelial cells are key players in diseases such as inflammatory bowel disease, and also that mitochondrial function and metabolism determine and regulate those cells' properties, such as how they differentiate and whether they turn into the correct type of epithelial cells to renew the gut lining." And this paper talks about the role of mitochondria in determining stem cell fate, so the precursor cells that should then go on to form your gut lining cells. So mitochondrial function is crucial to have the correct stem cells to be able to renew your gut lining. And just a closing note that mitochondrial impairment drives intestinal stem cell transition into the wrong type, and this predicts recurrence of Crohn's disease. Presumably this applies to other forms of gut inflammation, whether you have a diagnosis of ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease. And mitochondrial strategies can be a powerful lever to overcome symptoms.